好玩啊！不知道那个笑得很可怕。我们在这里好玩。
观光电车，速度为5米每秒。购买了摩天轮上的旅游卡后，在180之后爬进户外平台。需加购单项票，可在100元前最终购票机上购买。此外，这样子，因为它只在100元前从空中到陆地。祝您游海愉快。
是100多楼。
Welcome to the Canton Tower. You are taking the double carriage high-speed lift at the speed of 5 meters per second. For the guests with combo tickets, please go to 111 floor via interval lift on 108 floor. Bubble tram and other outdoor tickets can be bought at the ticket machine on 107 floor. There are 3 restaurants on the top of the tower. Reservation can be made at 107 floor Sky Bar. Have a nice trip.
你而家乘坐嘅係國內一線嘅提升最高嘅雙層小心中方電梯，電梯速度為5米每秒。購買咗摩天輪等項目嘅遊客，請喺108層換乘呢間電梯。